The fate of Wheezer, the deer, remains in limbo. Last night, we first told you about an eastern Ohio family who rescued a fawn after its mother was hit by a car. ODNR officers asked the family to surrender Wheezer, the deer, last week. Wheezer they named, but they refused to do that. NBC4's Harrison Hove explains the lengths this family will go to keep their pet.
He views me as his mother, and he is my baby, and that's how I feel about it.
A bond built over the course of 2 years. Wheezer was bottle fed by the Progers as a fawn. Now he runs around the yard on his leash and eats out of your hand. The Progers worry Ohio Department of Natural Resource officers who tried to take Wheezer last week will return to remove their four-legged family member.
This is a situation that is absolutely unnecessary. This is a lot of stress for this family.
Teresa Landon and the Ohio OSPCA say before 2009, Ohioans could care for an injured or orphaned deer. That changed with fears about chronic wasting disease, a fatal disease that could impact Ohio's deer population.
We do not feel that there is a legitimate fear of chronic wasting disease for the Ohio Division of Wildlife to require orphaned and injured fawns to be automatically killed.
The first case of chronic wasting disease occurred in 2014 in Ohio within a captive deer in an Ohio hunting facility. Those deer were imported from Pennsylvania. As for the Progers, they're willing to agree to any safety measures.
I'm willing to put the enclosure up, the specific enclosure that they want. I'm willing to have him vetted. I'm even willing to have him neutered if that's what they want. I just want Wheezer to stay with us.
All to keep Wheezer right here at home. Harrison Hove, NBC4.